If you're experiencing login errors on Gmail, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider restarting your router. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with Gmail's functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Update your browser. Ensure that your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support the latest Gmail features. Update your browser to the latest version and try accessing Gmail once more. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Gmail support for further assistance.